Welcome. In front of me is an OUKITEL C15 Pro, and today I'll show you how to copy contacts from your SIM card to the device. And to get started, you want to open up the standalone contacts application. From here, tap on the three bars and go to Settings. And at the bottom you should find Import option. When you select it, it gives you a couple options where you can import your contacts from. So I'm going to be selecting SIM card, and you should see all your contacts that are on the SIM card right here. By default, they will be all selected. So you can deselect contacts that you don't want by simply unchecking them like so. And then also you have the Save To option. So right now it's automatically going to the email that is logged into this device, but you can change it that it will save those contacts to your device itself instead of the email. So anyway, from there, select Import. Gives you the amount of contacts that has been imported, and from here, keep off. Should see them once I actually figure out how to change it to the device. There we go. Okay, and there are the contacts. So that is how to import your contacts, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.